Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a promo code on the Pocket Broker application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pocket Broker app on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. Once you are taken into the home page, if you wish to use any promo codes, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on Deposit. This will then take you into the Deposit menu, and underneath you will find the promo code section at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it and this will open up the promo code page. Just enter your desired promo code within the given box and then you can proceed forward by pressing the check button. This will then check your entered promo code, and once it has been verified, you will be given your reward right away. You can use as many promo codes as you wish if these codes are legitimate. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a promo code and redeem your rewards on the Pocket Broker application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.